The outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic has affected our lives in more way than any other events until now. The effects are felt in sphere of lives, right from our work, home to our social lives and more. Whether it is the uncertainty of the future loss, job loss, income loss, salary cut, anxiety about you or your loved one catching the virus, or the changes in your lifestyle. All these factors may be taking a toll on your emotional and mental well being. But we at Smart Healthians and we at this video clarify and understand about mental health, and hence we want to bring you some pointers, some special point that may help you maintain social, emotional and mental health. The first point is the communication more often. Since the outbreak of the pandemic and the lockdown, therefore our entire world has put you out of touch with your colleagues, friends and family, and therefore are many who are still struggling to get back to their loved ones. The good to maintain the social distancing is the making it any easy even the lockdown has been lifted. But what we will do? We will do We human beings are social animals and require contact with each other. However, times are different now. So you should make a best use of the facilities that you have to communicate with each other and everyone you care. In addition to your usual office calls and meeting plan, to have a team calls just to casually that chat with each other. And similarly, we have family get together, play games online with your family, friends, try creative way to the touch the with each other so that you do feel left and lonely to each other. This is the pointer number 1. Now pointer number 2 is stick to a schedule. Very important, stick to a schedule. With work entire your home, it is the difficult to draw a work life balance for some. In such situations, it is good to stick to a schedule. You may want to have same schedule that you follow when you want to work. Take regular breaks during which you can do some household chores, interact with your family members, or do something that allow you to relax and take your mind off work related issues. It is very important to strike a balanced diet to your work and other schedule. This is a pointer number 2. You can maintain your physical health and mental health. Pointer number 3, incorporate physical exercise into your routine. As you know, physical exercise has taken a big betting with all the cops at home. The gym and health is likely more continue to closed, but never understand the thing physical activity can do you mood and general well-being. So any form of physical activity is known to release a hormones called endorphin, which bring about positive feelings. Physical exercise is also said to be good to release stress level of the brain. So take walks around your neighborhood, join online classes, or work out with your family or family over video calls. You would surely see the positive effects on your mind as well as your body in no time. This is the pointer number 3. Pointer number 4 is Eat healthy food. Eating a well balanced diet is another factor that keeps lift up your mood. It is the established fact that protein and complex carbohydrate help you to build concentration and improve your mood. Avoid ordering food often. Choose from seasonal fruits and vegetables. And added benefit here is that having a balanced diet will also give you good immunity, which is the need of the hour, need of the pandemic. It is the good to limit the consumptions of alcohol or smoking to cope with stress. So take care, good care of your finance. This is a pointer number 4. Take good care of your finance. As you know, quite often financial problem can be rooted cause of your mental distress. Therefore, in this tough time, it is the very important that you take a good care of your fitness. Your might be facial job loss or a pay cut, or and may be worried about managing your expense and replying debt. However, it is important to learn to work around this situation. You may refer where we wrote about maintaining your financial fitness during COVID-19. You may cause use pointer from this avoid your financial situations affected your mental well-being. This is a pointer number 3. Now pointer number 5. Limit use of social media. As you know, while social media is one of the best way of being connected with your family, your friends and other consequence, it is come as the source of unverified news and forwarded. If you are getting anxious about the situation around you, it may be good to limit the use of social media and ignore all unverified news, forwarded news and peer pressures. Also, excessive use of social media has can also affect your productivity and at work, which may negatively affect your performance. It can be also eat up sleep time and make up your more anxious. This is a pointer number 4 where you set mental physical health. Pointer number 5, try some claiming techniques. Very important. Anxious, depressions, frustrated or helpless are some of the feelings that you might have experienced over the past few days. In addition to the pointers mentioned above, you could also try some calming techniques like meditations, yoga, spending time with nature or your pets, reading or turning to your hobbies to claim your mind. Practicing gratitude, helping others or even journaling are some of the other way to bring your inner peace. Pointer number 6, don't shy away from asking for help. If nothing seems to be nothing helping and you feel extremely low, do not hesitate to share your feeling with your loved ones. The key is to reach out in time. Don't shy away from asking for help or assistance. There are lots of organizations that give free counseling service online, or you could also approach a professional person who could help. There are variety of therapy available which you could try. So while you take step to maintain your mental health and emotional well-being during the pandemic, do not forget to stay safe and take necessary precautions like wearing mask and washing your hand and often. I hope you will understand how to maintain your physical and mental health during this pandemic. And if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share. Bye bye.